Are you looking to file for Texas unemployment benefits? This video will guide you step by step to make the process smooth and hassle-free. First, let's talk about what you need to begin. You will need your Texas Social Security number, full name, date of birth, Texas address, and driver's license. Also, have a reliable VPN ready. Before filing, it's crucial to check if your Social Security number is valid and originates from Texas. Go to ssnverify.com, enter your SSN, and click on Verify Now. Remember, Texas SSN numbers start with 449 or fall between 645. Now, let's start the filing process. Connect your VPN to Texas. This will mask your IP address. Next, visit the Texas Unemployment Benefits website at twc.state.tx.us. Click on Employer Unemployment Benefits Services. If you already have a user ID, log in. If not, create a new user ID. Follow the prompts to sign up. Enter your details and create a password. When prompted, enter your Texas SSN number. If the system recognizes it, you can proceed. If it indicates that the SSN is already used, review your information and move forward accordingly. Fill in your first and last name, birth date, and driver's license number. Enter a recent work date, and review everything to ensure accuracy. If everything is correct, click Next. If any questions arise about your employment or pension, answer as instructed in the guide. Use your background check to fill out job details accurately. When asked about wages, enter a realistic figure. Select layoff as your reason for unemployment. Create a PIN for security, and choose how you wish to receive payments. You may get payments via a TWC debit card or a bank account. After ensuring every detail is correct, you'll see a confirmation page. This means your application is in process, and you should expect a payment after the review within 48 hours. If you encounter any TWC errors, visit the provided link to file your claim and ensure your SSN is valid. To summarize, gather your information, check your SSN, use the proper channels to file, and wait for your benefits. If you found this guide helpful, please support my filmmaking channel by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.